Hi, Jody, Dave here, and welcome down to the allotment. I'm just going to give you an idea of what we're doing, what we're going to get done today. It's Friday. No, it's Monday. Sorry, it's Monday today. Sorry, Monday of a new week. So, see what we can get down today, because I don't know whether we'll get down the rest of the week, because people are back to work and all that and busy. So, all right. Okay, I'll start walking down here, and then I'll change cameras over and show you. All right. Right, all this needs tidying up. So, all these bits of wood and all that, and see what we can put down on there if we've got out. We have to get some more of this. And hey, Rob's fun bee thing.
How many do you have? Is it just one?
One of them, it was full. Right, see all that crap wood, see all that wood, that pile of stuff. It's all over the place, it's dangerous to walk on. So, I'm going to get my boots on, and we're going to look where we can, if we can pile that somewhere safe, make a pile of it safe. So, we can clear, make that area look safe. So, right, our video later, I'll give you an idea how we've got on. So, see you soon. Okay, we've put the wood under there, up against the shed. What we're doing now is give this a rake over, get the wheelbarrow, put the rubbish in. I see it looks a lot better than what it was already. Hasn't took long to do this.
Yeah.
So
I got shovels one. You give me any one. We've got a shovel in there, man. This is quite better, bigger.
Proper shovel.
Alright, go get a proper shovel then.
Aye, should be a big shovel in there somewhere. I'm busy video. Daddy working. So they can see him. He works.
I always work.
This is different from McDonald's. That way he just stands.
I don't just stand, I help customers. You when I'm off, I help customers.
Right, we're going to put this in the wheelbarrow, then we're going to go do the bottom, dump it down the fence. And there's Robert shoveling. I'll get the best job I've supervised because I've camera. Okay, you see we'll do a little bit of work, I'll come back later. Okay, we're now building a metal bed. Not a bed you sleep on either.
Step one.
So they're busy sorting it out. And I'll go back and we'll start putting it together.
No, bottom.
Okay, what we're doing is bolting it together. Didn't do 1, 2, 3, 4. You done?
Right, that one's done. One more.
Okay, so that's how you bolt it together. So I'll stop recording and I'll come when we're doing this sort of the last lot.
Right.
Okay, that's it built. They're just going around now locking it. Locking all the bolts in. Did you do the other side?
I think we've done them sides.
You
Did
done,
that over here needs doing.
did you do that side? No, no.
Yeah,
No.
we've done that side. I think we done these ones. Go around, just give it a check.
Just that side needs to do it. Should have got these in the beginning. Should have got these in the beginning.
Then the tights.
Probably last a few years and then flipping a coat of paint. Getting the muckings is going to be fun, so don't.
The old tights.
Brilliant. Okay, well that's done, and we're just going to have a 5-minute break, and then we're going to sort out where we're going to put it because we've got some stuff to cut out. So back in a tick. Okay, there's the bedding. What you've just seen we make. So composting, bag of normal compost, and compost that we've been handling with Doric for a year. So that's that bed ready. It'll probably level. It'll go down. So okay, right. Shall I do a tour?
Can do, eh?
Right, what we've done so far. That's going to go in the compost bin. Right, you know about what's happened up there. So what we've done today is, you see that big thing there? It's gone. That's got to go now. We've cleared everything. We've cleared everything from there. Well, canes have fell over, so I'll have to sort that out. There's a pile of muck there now. And we've tidied up this area. Yeah, so that was on there. We've put all we're putting that in there for now. That's piled up there. The wood's piled under there, so makes this area a little bit more tidier. We've got to do around the back of here. It's not too bad. Got some daffodils growing over there, but so we're slowly but surely getting there, because hopefully next month we'll be starting an air plant. So when we come down next time, I think what we're going to do is we're going to give this black a good clear figgy, because we've got the bark to put down. So we can bark this area. See how far we can go with the bark. Probably the whole lot will go in just this area. So, because we've got some bark there. Eventually we're going to get some more of them. I think they look better than the wooden ones. That stands out better than the wooden ones. Yeah. And the deeper. So, right, well, might be down tomorrow. Depends on the time I get finished. So, and depends on the weather. So, I will say, please give a thumbs up, subscribe. It does help with the channel, and check out our TikTok as well, because we do have Danny's putting stuff up on TikTok every now and often. What's happening, and check out our Facebook page. Not page, Facebook. Our Facebook group. So we'll be putting pictures and stuff like that onto that. So yeah, if I remember how to do it, I'll try and get it and put the links below this video. So if I don't get down tomorrow or Thursday, I'll say goodbye to you all. If I do, I'll do another video on top of this to go along with this, so it's a bit longer. And so bye for Monday.